Today at Riverside County Indian Motorcycles, we have our brand new 2023 Indian Scout Bobber 20 ABS. This is the quartz smoke. Scout Bobber 20s are signified with their spoked wheels, front and rear, raised mini apes, as well as inverted mirrors. Scout Bobber 20s also have that classic paint job with the warhead bonnet on the side. This is a 100 horsepower, 73 pounds of torque, 6-speed transmission, liquid cooled. Bike is brand new, only has 6 miles put on through my service side. Make sure the bike is ready to go. Give us a call if you're interested. Number here is going to be 951-460-4222. Ask for either Lorenzo or Lenny.